Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you. Another new video interview question and answer session. This is the part 4. That means this is the video number 4. I hope already you watched the previous video and get some idea about the interview. So if you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to get all updated video. And you can share my video to your friend if you think this is useful to them also. Okay. So part 4 in this section, I will start real life whatever we facing the interview and how they asking the question. So we go to the directly question. Before the 3 video, we try to understand how they reading the CV, how they want to know about yourself or something like that, and some tips and techniques is there. Okay, so from this video, we'll discuss the details. So from here, we start the technical part. So subject matter expert, they will ask you the question, whatever they get from your introduction and whatever information they get from your introduction and your CV. Okay. First of things, you already mentioned you are working in the QAQC department. So they will ask some question about the QAQC. So first of things, they will ask what is the meaning of QAQC or what do you mean by QAQC? So what do you understand about the QAQC? This type of so many ways they can ask the question. So to answering the question, always we'll try to give the answer based on the experience and our working situation. We try to recall what we do as a QA, what we do as a QC, what we do. To try to recall and give the answer is the practical answer, not the theoretical answer. Sometimes we search the Google, there is so many things is written. So if you give the answer, that also okay. But interview think you memorize the answer, then giving the answer. But real life answer you are not cannot give. That means you don't have the enough experience about the QAQC. So if I tell about this answer, QAQC, what is the QA and what is the QC? So QA actually is the quality assurance and quality control. So this is the short form. So quality control and quality assurance. So after that, they can ask you the one more question. That is what is the difference between QAQC or what is the function of QAQC? So to answering this question, we can answer. Okay, first of things I tell shortly about the QA. So QA what do? QA actually defining the quality standard, establishing process and procedures. Okay. Then conducting the audit, implementing corrective action to improve process. So this is the QA part. First of things, simply if we say, that means QA what do? QA making the standard, then establishing the process and procedure, audit they conducting, implementing the corrective action to improve the process. This is the QA part. So QC what do actually? So QC ensure whatever QA is establishing the standard and procedure, these are on site. That means practically we are doing or not. That is, they need to ensure on site they are following these all the things. Okay. So this is the most important things for QC. QC ensure whatever QA established or making the standard, that the things on site is following. This is the QC part. That means QC always doing the side work, QA doing the not office. We can say the office work, but QA doing the making the policy. QA making the policy, QC implementing the policy work site. This is the actually main difference in QA QC. So these the rules they are playing. QA all time establishing the policy and making the policy, and QC they implementing the one side or work execution time. So this is the QC responsibility. So this way you can search in Google. So many is there. If I tell you the one thing, maybe they can. QA is the focus on preventing the defect and ensure that the process are designed and implementing to produce reliable product or services. Okay. QC what do? QC involve the inspection and testing of product or service to verify that meet predefined quality standard. That means what? That means whatever QA is defined, that means designed or make the standard. These defined standard or these the things actually on-site they are following or not, on-site product that on meeting or not the actual the standard, that is they are ensuring QC. So I hope you understand this is the point. If you have any doubt, you can ask me a question. Maybe I can explain you the different way. Okay. So this is the QA and QC things. Okay? Then they can ask you the another question. This is the common question they ask you. What type of QQC or QMS document have you used? That means you try to recall in your workplace. If this type of question they ask you, what type of document you use or something like that, then you try to recall in your workplace what type of document you use. Okay, you no need to memorize these the thing. Just you recall what type of document you have used in your workplace. Okay, so if I tell you some document name, if you tell you the some document that is the what we are using the SOP, standard operating procedure. We use the plan, then we use the ITP, we use the procedure, we use the work instruction methodology, forms, template, record and reports. So this type of so many document we use. So you can answer whatever you use in your workplace. Okay. Okay. Next, then they can ask tell me what is the difference between procedure, MOS or work instruction. So procedure, method, statement, work. What is the difference of these three things? Same way they maybe can ask the SOP, what is the difference between SOP and procedure, what is the difference between SOP, MOS, what is the difference between SOP and W. So you need to clear your concept, then you answer this question in own your language. Okay. So in this case, if I tell this different, what is the different actually? So actually procedure is overall document controlling the management of the topic. Like for example, if we say the testing, so testing procedure. So this procedure what mentioned? This procedure mention how the performing the testing. Okay, this testing how to perform this all the process the mentioned in the procedure. So method statement what? Method statement is sometimes for certain job. Maybe in hydrotech, some specific job need to do in differently, or these the things is not covered in the procedure. So for this specific or certain thing, we need to make the method of statement how we perform these the things, these the job. So procedure, method is almost same, but actually procedure the describe the full process how to perform. This is the process procedure. Then for specific or certain thing, whatever may be subjected to change frequently, maybe today we do one way and tomorrow need to do another way. So these are the things we cover by the MOS or method of statement. So I hope you understand the work instruction. What is the work instruction? Work instruction is how I can say work instruction is the specific job or specific task how we can perform. These detailsly they are mentioning. So one task how to perform one by one, then mentioning this task, this I need to do. Okay, so this is the work instruction. So I hope you understand. This is the point. Then so after also they can ask you the so many things like what is the ITP, inspection and test plan. Then they can ask you to the what is the technical query. This is another things I will discuss in maybe the any video or anything any higher. Then they can ask you the client specification, something like that. So what is the client inspection specification? So these are the things so many ways they can ask. Okay. So today I want to close this video here. If you think this video is useful to all, maybe you can share. You can like the video. You can comment in section. What type of question you have faced related to the QQC during the interview, you share with me. If that answer I know, maybe I can share with you my thoughts on my answer maybe in the another video. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.